Welcome to Bet5 Gaming. Most players focus on when to bet, but very few understand when not to bet. And this one skill can make a huge difference in how long you last at the table. Let's talk about it. In Baccarat, you don't have to play every round. There's no penalty for waiting, but many players feel pressure to always be in the game, and that's where mistakes begin. Skipping rounds gives you time to observe, time to reset, and time to avoid bad situations. Some tables are simply unpredictable. If you see constant switching between banker and player, no clear pattern, random outcomes, that's called a choppy table. And in these moments, the best move is often no move. Another time to pause is after a big moment. After a loss, emotions can take over. After a win, overconfidence kicks in. Both situations lead to risky decisions. Taking a break helps you return with a clear mindset. Smart players don't jump in immediately. They wait for a pattern forming, a streak confirmation, or at least some consistency. This reduces random guessing and increases controlled decisions. Patience is not weakness, it's strategy. In Baccarat, action is easy, but discipline is rare. Knowing when not to bet can protect your bankroll and improve your overall strategy. If you want to learn smarter ways to play, subscribe to Bet5 for more simple and powerful insights. And remember, sometimes the best move is no move at all.